Welcome everyone. How y'all guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great on this Saturday. It's a beautiful Saturday today. Hope you guys are having some great weather where you are. So before I get started, I want to introduce myself. I'm Veronica Anderson. I'm the owner and creative consultant for Wreath by Veronica. And I am a Etsy seller, and I teach others like you to create your own masterpiece. So welcome everyone. I'm from Houston, Texas. So tell me hello and where you viewing me from. And if you could spread the love for me, I would truly appreciate that. And want to get started on I have some announcements today. I have an announcement. Hope everybody's doing great. Hello. So I want to thank all you guys for coming on because I know you guys are busy. So, but I just want to thank you for allowing me to come into your home or wherever you at, your workspace or whatever space you at right now. Thank you for tuning in and chiming in on me. Hello. Delaware, how you doing, Nicole? Hello, I got Louisiana, Delaware, got all that. That is awesome. Hello, Miss Davis. I see you watching. Hello. Tell me where you from, Miss Phyllis. Hello. I'm from Houston, Texas, guys, if you don't know. Thank you so much, Miss Kathy. I love that. I love that. Truly love it. So, before I get started, I want to say hello again. Okay. Today's announcement is Wreath by Veronica is starting something new. I'm launching this out, and this is going to be a monthly thing that I am doing. It's not a thing. It's something that's been burning in my soul to do, and I wanted to, and it was laid into my spirit. So I want to do this, and I hope you guys will let everyone else know as well. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm doing Veronica's picks, and what it will entail is, for instance, I will have some items that I pick to go that will match accordingly for people, because I have had people to inbox me and ask me, could you make up a pick something out for me? Well, what would go good with this? You know, Lord just gives me the tenacity to be able to look at colors and just match them up together. And because I feel that all colors go together. You know, when we think they don't match, they do. We just got to coordinate it in. So with that being said, I am heading up Veronica's Picks, monthly picks. It would be called Veronica's Monthly Picks. And that would entail, like, if I would put a ribbon and a sign together, or I will put a mesh and a ribbon together, or I will put just all ribbon or all mesh, or a sign by itself, or a couple of signs, or that's what it would be done. And it would be in my Etsy shop. And as you know, it's in my Etsy. I already put my Etsy shop into the comment section. So if you understand what I'm doing, and it's gonna start today. Today is the day that it's starting. And since even though it's at the end of the month, I'm kicking it off on April the 23rd. How about that? I'm doing that. That's how sincere and confident that I am into this. Because when something is laid in your spirit, you have to move forward. And that's what I'm doing. I'm moving forward. And that's what it's going to be, Veronica's monthly picks. So every month, I will have different items that you can go and purchase if you would like to. So for today and for this month, this will be the monthly pick for this month. So now if you understand what I said, type a Y to let me know. Hey, yeah, I understand. I got this, Veronica. This is what you rolling out, and I'm going to roll with you. Hello. Thank you for the hearts. Hello, Catherine from Louisiana. Hello, Miss Tracy Driver. How are you? I see you watching. Hello, Gammy Ivan. Hello, hello. Born in Chicago, but living in Kansas. Hello, gone on. Phyllis living in Kansas. Born in Chicago, Chi-Town. Now you over there in Kansas. That's a good thing. Okay, guys, so this is the first monthly pick. It's starting it off now. I know it's at the end of the month, but hey, that's how I roll, baby. I know it is going to move forward. So I'm going to lower the camera down just a tad bit so you can get a look. So this is what this monthly pick is. Like I stated earlier, it will either be a sign or a ribbon, and you can go there and pick it. And where you can go and pick, purchase it at is my Etsy shop. It's etsy.com Wreath by VA, and I have it in the comment section right now. So this is what we have. Look at this beautiful ribbon here, watermelon ribbon. How do we like this? Isn't it cute? I'm loving it. I'm loving the details of the watermelon on there. Isn't it cutely darling? This is a 1.5 inch. And if you look at it, look how it just stands up. So this would make a beautiful, awesome bow. Now I have a sign that I'm going to pair this with. This is my pick. I will say this sign and this ribbon will match awesome well. Beautiful. I'm loving it. So that's Veronica's pick. And I have more than one in there with this. And I have another one that's going to be Veronica's pick for this month. Love, love, love. So I'm going to put my Etsy shop again in there. I did put it already at the top, but a lot of time it gets into the feed and we cannot get it because it's into the feed. But I'm going to put it again for you guys because I love you. There it is. It's in there again. Right there. Let me see if I can pin it. And I did. It's pinned. How about that? It's pinned right up there. So the next one is, look at this block sign. I'm loving it. Watermelon again. Okay. Blocks in here. I'm loving the detailing of this. It has all the colors that you will want for summer. All the colors just to go right on in on your front door. Look how cute that is. And then what I decided to do, I said, look, let's put this ribbon in here. You probably think you would need a watermelon ribbon. No, you don't. Look at these beautiful colors that match up with this. It has every color that you want in this block. It's just horizontal colors. Look at it. It has the blue, the greens, the yellow, the purple. All of those colors match this here sign. Don't you think? So you can go ahead on, and I have more than one of these in my Etsy shop. So you can go right on over there and pick that. It's Veronica's pick. So if you get on my shop and you see it, you can go into the menu section where they have the listing, where you have the categories. Go all the way down. I already have it into that where it has Veronica's picks, Veronica's monthly picks. Click on that and it'll pop up these here right here. So you can do just that. Look, I already had somebody that already purchased. Y'all better go ahead on about your business and start purchasing before y'all won't get nothing. But this here is cute. Veronica's picks right here. Veronica's monthly picks. I put monthly on there because I would do it every monthly. And who's to say I might do 2 or 3 in that month. But I don't know. I just pick and go with that. So that is so cute. I'm going to show you this pick again. This watermelon sign. This sign here is the bomb.com for this season. People are using these signs, right? This watermelon sign right here. Welcome. For the Wreath community. This is really big in the Wreath community, this sign. Watermelon is a big hit. And look at that. They got the black in there. And then the watermelon slices. Cute. 1.5 inch. You can work with that. So I just want to thank you guys. I am launching this, and this will be every month. I feel it in my soul. You know, I feel it in my soul. I'm coming in on April the 23rd, and it's almost the end of this month, but I'm kicking it off anyway, because you know what? My spirit says to do this, and that's what I'm going to do. So I want to thank you guys for coming in. Please don't forget to, it's at etsy.com/shop Wreaths by VA. So you can go there and purchase it. So, and I don't want you to be left out. So it's a good pick for the month of April. Those two signs there, and I have more than one in there, so you can go there, and where I have less than one of them because somebody just purchased one. But go in there and go ahead on and purchase, and I will be so greatly appreciative. And I want to thank each and every one of you that always come on and support my small business that I have in my home. So I thank you so much for doing that. I thank you for all the likes, the blessings, the purchases, and all those type of things. Even just inboxing me and saying hello, or showing me your wreath and saying, hey Veronica, take a look at this. You know, I truly appreciate it. And don't forget, I do one-on-one calls for people that just need a jump start, need some information about business, how to do this or or what did you do, what avenue did you take, who or what and where. So, and I'm happy to do that. You can schedule your one-on-one call with me, and that is a 30-minute session for $60 for that one-on-one call. That's for the one-on-one call. Now there's schedule your time. I got some bookings in there right now. So I want to thank you guys, and don't forget to go to, this is a new launching that I'm doing, Veronica's monthly picks. So, and if you guys are just not joining me, I'm Veronica Anderson. I'm the owner and creative consultant for Wreath by Veronica. So thank you guys for coming on today. I truly appreciate it. I'm so greatly loved today, and I thank you, and I just want you guys to also spread the love throughout so everyone would know about Veronica's monthly picks. So I want to thank you guys, and have a wonderful, enjoy the rest of your day, and have a beautiful day tomorrow. And always remember, put God first, and everything else will fall in line. I love each and every one of you. Thank you. Bye-bye.